let's show you how easy it is. Simple, easy, quick, and cheap way to remove paint from a car. Let's go look.
I've got an inspection sticker blade or scraper that takes one of your single edge razor blades. Basically, find you a little chipped area. Don't even have to be that. Just push down in the right angle. And that's how fast it goes. Sometimes the primer sticks a lot better than the paint, but at least you get 1 or 2 or 3 layers of paint off of it before you get down to the original primer. That'll save you a lot more time and sandpaper if you have to remove it that way.
Now we've removed about 4 layers of paint already from this area, and now we're back down to it looks like the original primer, but there could be something left underneath here. Right now we had orange primer, red primer, and then this primer.
You see here we've got orange primer, red primer, and then there's actually another layer of primer, and then there's some more red. And I don't know what's underneath that. It looks like there's white, red, and then a white sealer, and then the final primer. This thing's been painted a few times. So you may not be able to get underneath it and get all of it at once, but it's a lot cleaner than breathing all this stuff in coming off of sandpaper.